Welcome to our top picks for the best car chargers on the market. Whether you're on a long road trip or just need to charge your devices on the go, these chargers have got you covered. With high-speed charging, multiple USB ports, and sleek designs, these chargers are perfect for keeping all of your devices powered up and ready to go. So sit back, relax, and let's take a look at the best car chargers available now. Best overall. The Anker PowerDrive Speed Plus 2 stands out as a unique car charger option for several reasons. Its lightning-fast charging capabilities allow for rapid power boosts for your smartphone, taking it from 10% to 8% in just 20 minutes. The dual USB-A and USB-C ports provide versatility in cable compatibility, allowing you to charge both older and newer devices at the same time. The compact and ergonomic design makes it easy to both plug in and remove, while the ring light indicator and blue inputs add a touch of style and make it easy to see when the charger is in use. Its ability to charge high-ticket items like MacBook computers makes it a versatile option for all your charging needs. The output max for each port is 2.4 amperes, totaling 4.8 amperes when both are in use. While it might be more expensive than other options, the Anker PowerDrive Speed Plus 2 is a powerful, stylish, and portable option for all your car charging needs. To discover the current price of this product, follow the link in the video description below. Best value. The AUKEY Revolt Dual is a budget-friendly, compact car charger with dual ports that each output 2.4 amperes. It has bright port lights for easy navigation in the dark, but only offers USB-A ports, which may limit its adaptability. The charger sits flush with the DC outlet and has small grooves for easy removal. Overall, it is a good low-profile option, best for rideshare drivers. The Vantrue N2 Pro Uber Dual Dash Camera stands out from others on the market with its cab-facing camera that records both video and audio of the driver and passengers. This feature is particularly useful for rideshare and taxi drivers who may need to seek compensation for damage done by unruly passengers. Additionally, the front-facing camera boasts an impressive 2.5K high-definition resolution, resulting in clear and vibrant footage that is worthy of being shared on social media. The camera also offers a wide dynamic range, making it capable of capturing clear footage even at night. The N2 Pro also offers a range of options for loop recording clip settings and the ability to create time-lapse videos, making it a versatile and reliable option for capturing footage while driving. To find the current price of this product, visit the link provided in the video description below. Records inside and outside. This dashcam offers excellent video quality with its 1440p resolution on the exterior-facing camera and 720p on the interior camera, both of which have a wide 180 degrees field of view. Distortion is minimal, making it great for capturing license plates and scenic drives. However, night vision is not as strong, resulting in grainy footage. The device also offers audio recording for added security and has a unique feature of only saving recordings when triggered by voice command, pressing the save button, or the G-force sensor. The interface is lacking as there is no screen, but it can be controlled through the app and voice commands. The compact design is a plus, but the adhesive mount may leave residue and requires purchasing an additional mount for multiple cars. Overall, the Tandem is a high-end device that is great for those looking for top-notch image quality and cab footage, but may not be the best choice for road trips. To know this product's today price, click its appropriate link from the video description below. Best high performance. The NextBass 622G Galp is a cutting-edge dashcam that boasts an impressive 3-inch LCD touchscreen, making it easy to navigate through the device's various safety features such as parking mode, SOS services, and Alexa support. This dashcam stands out for its intuitive menu and clear labeling, making it simple to use. With exceptional video quality and reliability, you can trust that the 622G will capture all the important moments on the road. Despite its high-performance capabilities, the 622Go's price point may be a drawback for some, but for those who prioritize a large touchscreen and advanced features, it may be worth the investment. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product reviews and tech content. See you next time.